Thank you, my people. Thank you, viewers. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, it is the Olympiad Mathematics Question. We are given if 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of 162 is equal to 0. The question is that we should find what the value of x should be, what x represents. It is going to be a brief video, just within 4-5 minutes we should be through. Watch till the end. We dive in. Now, first and foremost, I want to move 2 to the power of 162 to the right hand side. And that means I shall be writing it as 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 and to the power of x equal to, that is minus 2 to the power of 162, now goes to the right to become 2 to the power of 162. First step. The second step is, I want you to see that 162 is the same as 81 times 2, or 2 times 81. So, I shall write this 2 to the power of 162 as 2 to the power of 2 times 81. It therefore implies that 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 and to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2, then multiply by 81. Alright, so this shall now be written as 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x as equal to 2 to the power of 2, then into the bracket to the power of 81, because you know x raised to the power n into n is equal to x raised to the power n. Product law of indices. So if I multiply 2 by 81, I still get back my 162. This is multiplication here. So moving on, you can agree with me that 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. So I can write 2 to the power of 2 as 4. This implies that I shall have 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 81. Now look very well and remember the law of indices that says if I have 2 to the power of x equal to 3, 2 to the power of y. That since the bases are equal, it also implies that the powers should be equal. That is, x should be equal to y. So I can now say, watch very well, that the bases here are equal, therefore the power should also be equal to 8y. I can now write that 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x should be equal to 8y, since the bases are equal. Very good. The next I will do, I want to express this my 81 in index form, and preferably in base 3, since I have base 3 by the left hand side. So 81 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 4. That is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Because 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 should give me 81. So looking at this, I will now write 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Very good. Now, you can also see the same thing that happened here will also happen here. The bases are equal, and since the base here is equal to the base by the left is equal to the base by the right, the powers automatically becomes equal. So I can now write, therefore 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. since the bases here are equal. The laws of indices playing out. So looking at what I have now, I can still write my 4 as 2 to the power of 2. That is 4. This means that I shall write 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 2. The bases are still equal. Therefore, the power should also be equal. There we say that x is equal to 2. Final answer. Let's check our result. From the left hand side, I want to see if I can get what is by the right hand side. Of course, you see my expression. I have moved this negative 2 to the power of 162 to the right hand side here, and what I got is 2 to the power of 162. So I want to use this to check my result. Check result. Check result. So I have here 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2, then multiply by each one. Anywhere I see x, I put my 2. Therefore, if I put 2 in the position of x here, I shall now have 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. And also, it becomes 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 equal to, of course, you can see from the right that 2 to the power of 2 is certain as 4 to the power of h1. Now, we want to see that our answer is very correct. But 3 to the power of 4 is certain as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 4 times, which is h1. That implies that it is 4 to the power of h1, and from the right is also 4 to the power of h1. We can therefore say that our answer, which is x equal to 2, is 100% correct. Thank you, share my videos, and do subscribe if this is your first time of stopping by. God bless you.
Na mbụ agwara m mmadụ sị